Okay, folks, we're back. We're back. About to take another flight. Get some more footage for this construction project. The snow, of course, put things to a halt for a minute. Um, but uh, I already see some bands out there. You got the cable company out here running lines, so there is progress being made. So I did want to come out here and get some quick shots, because the snow, the storm, this winter storm, it's part of this construction progress. It's part of the process. You know, the weather does what it pleases. So, and we have to work around it. So, since this was part of the process and this was what was happening during this time, definitely had to capture it. So, all right. Soon as my remote ID connects, it is connected. I'm about to go check my airspace and verify the weather. The wind isn't bad, so I know we'll be okay. But it's muscle memory. It's just something that I do. Okay, we got our weather checked. We verified our airspace. We are in G airspace, and we are clear to fly. Shouldn't take us no more than, about 8 to 12 minutes, maybe 15 minutes to get this finished. Um, and then once we get that done, we'll download it, and that's when the work starts. That's when the real work starts, editing and packaging it up so that it is easy to interpret. All right, let's go.
Takeoff.
Say hi and bye.